Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. After the completion of reported speech, now I am here to teach you preposition. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. So here I start. At the very starting, I would like to tell you the definition of preposition. Preposition is just a word which is used to link noun, pronoun, or any phrase with the other words in a sentence. That is called preposition. Now I'll be having many examples for making you understand. So please watch it very carefully. So my dear students, at first here comes for. May say के लिए So at first here comes preposition for. Now I would like to tell you that the use of for in sentences. First example, I bought this pen. I bought this pen for 10 rupees. All right. I bought this book for 250 rupees. So as you can see at the board, I just have noted down two examples by using for. यहाँ पर for का मतलब बेटा में से है. जब हम कोई चीज़ खरीदते हैं और हम बोलते हैं कि हमने ये चीज़ इतने में खरीदी, तो वहाँ पर हम we do not have to use in, क्योंकि बताया ही जाता है कि in का मतलब में होता है, right? लेकिन यहाँ पर हम for का यूज़ करेंगे, right? जब हम कोई सामान खरीदते हैं, when we are going to buy something, and after buying that, somebody asks that how much is it for, कि अपनी चीज़ कितने मिली या कितने की है, तो हमने बोला कि मैंने ये पेन I bought this pen for 10 rupees, ये पेन मैंने 10 रुपये में ख़रीदा था. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, I bought this book for 250 rupees, ये बुक मैंने 250 rupees में खरीदी थी. तो फोर का यहाँ मीनिंग हुआ में. नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड. सेंटेंस नंबर 3. I have been teaching. I have been teaching in this school for 5 years. He has been learning has been learning grammar. We have been learning grammar for 1 year. So my dear students, this time as well I have taken 2 examples, but use of for is just different. Earlier it contains the meaning may, but here it gives the meaning say. देखो बेटा, I have been teaching in this school for 5 years. जब मैं आपको टेंस पढ़ा रहा था, when I was teaching you tense, so there had been प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, मैंने वहाँ पर आपको सिंस और फॉर का यूज़ बताया था, राइट. फॉर बेसिकली क्या होता है, इनडेफिनिट टाइम के लिए आता है, राइट. और दूसरी चीज़ फॉर वहाँ आता है व्हेन वी कैन नॉट काउंट द टाइम, जब हम समय को काउंट नहीं कर सकते, राइट. आई एम सॉरी, आई जस्ट टेक माई वर्ड बैक. व्हेन वी कैन काउंट द टाइम, when we can count the time, जैसे 2 years, 5 years, 2 months, 3 months, 2 days, 15 days, like this, right? When we can count the time. I hope you understand. Or it is, or in other words we can say it is indefinite time. So यहाँ पर दोनों में for का मतलब क्या हुआ, same. Now let us move ahead. Sentence number 5. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Leave. I am waiting for you. I hope you understand. This gift is for you. This gift is for you. This gift is for you. I have brought I have brought this pen for you. Leave. So my dear students, please, now this time as well I have 3 examples by using for, but Hindi meaning is just different. I am waiting for you. यहाँ पर for का meaning लिए, कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. This gift is for you. ये गिफ्ट तुम्हारे लिए है. for का यहाँ पर meaning लिए. I have brought this pen for you, कि मैं ये पेन आपके लिए लाया हूँ, राइट. सो आई हैव गिवन यू 3 हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ फॉर. मे, से, लिए. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड. सिंस. से, जब से. फाइन. Now I'll just make you understand by having example. I have been playing cricket in this ground since 2002. Nothing I have done. Nothing I have done since nothing I have done since I left nothing I have done since I left my previous job. So, my dear students, this time I have brought the use of since for you. You can see at the board, here it contains two Hindi meaning. Say, jab se. I have been playing cricket in this ground since 2002. That also has been taken from present perfect continuous, right? Since का मतलब यहाँ पर से है, right? And for definite time. Nothing I have done, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है since I left my previous job. जब से मैंने अपनी जो पहली जॉब है वो छोड़ी है, right? You can see. So my dear students, that's enough for the day. And with new prepositions, I'll be coming to you for making you understand. Thank you very much.